Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create your Steam account. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already installed the application in my PC. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to sign up. In case you already have an account, simply scan the QR code right here and then you will be able to log in. But right now, all we want to do is create a free account. So I'm gonna click on this button right here. Once you do, it's going to ask you to enter your email address along with your address and country of residence. I'm going to fill out all of them. Now as you can see, I have filled out everything. Now all I'm going to do is click on this checkbox and hit on continue. That is it guys. Once you click on the button, it's going to send you a verification email. Go to your email right now and check it. Well guys, as you can see, I have received an email like this. I'm just going to verify it right now. And guys, that is it. As you can see, our email has been verified. Now I'm gonna open up the application once again. Now once you do that, it's gonna ask you to enter a Steam account name along with the password. Simply enter everything. Once you filled out everything, simply click on done. And guys, that is it. Just hit on continue. Everything is okay. We have created our new Steam account. Now all you need to do is enter your credentials right here and hit on sign in. I'm gonna enter it right now. The credentials have been entered. Now I'm gonna sign in. This is it guys. This is how you create your Steam account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.